Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to protect your Facebook account from getting hacked. So first of all, open your Facebook account and click on your profile. Click on settings and privacy, settings, and click on privacy. Scroll down and instead of this how people can find and contact you section, you need to make some changes. Who can send a friend request? Click on edit and select friends of friends. Who can see your friend list? Select only me. Who can look up using the email address you provided? Select only me. Who can look up using the phone number you provided? Select only me here. And do you want to search engines outside Facebook to link your profile? Click on edit and you have to deselect this option. Click on turn off and now click on settings and click on security and login. You have to change your Facebook password, so replace your password with a strong password. And now click on use two-factor authentication. And you'll need to turn on two-factor authentication for your Facebook account. You can use authentication app or you can use your phone number to verify your phone. Turn on two-factor authentication here, and here you'll find this get alerts about unrecognized logins option. So click on edit and select get notification. Click on save changes, and that's how we can protect our Facebook account from getting hacked. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.